All right, before we move on, big news coming in from the United States where there is a major glitch at the New York Stock Exchange where trading has been halted in many stocks. Shares of Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway Inc. fell 99% in a dramatic fall at the start of trading on Wall Street. Dozens of stocks are paused because they traded outside those so-called upper limit down bands. The New York Stock Exchange has attributed this to a technical glitch. The stock exchange in a statement says, and I quote, "The NYSE Equities is currently investigating a reported technical issue. Additional information will follow as soon as possible." Again, this is news coming in from the United States where there's a major glitch at the New York Stock Exchange where trading has been halted in many stocks. Let's get the latest from our correspondent Susan Teherani, who's joining us on phone. Susan, hi. What's the latest on this issue? What is the stock exchange saying? What are some of the impacts that this glitch has caused so far?
Yeah, Eric, as you mentioned, dozens of stocks are now paused because they traded outside the so-called up-limit down bands. And the New York Stock Exchange is not immediately available to say what happened. But, you know, Chipotle, Berkshire Hathaway, and the holding companies run by Warren Buffett were some of them. It's not clear if the issues are related or not. The New York Stock Exchange says that it's continuing to investigate what happened, and it's not a NASDAQ issue. But ultimately, it appears that while some of these stocks were halted and something wacky happened, it doesn't appear to have impacted the broader market at this point.
Susan,
so, you know, we'll have to wait and see.
Susan, very quickly, has this ever happened before? And if it did, what did the stock exchange do to, you know, clear the air about it?
Well, you know, we've had technical glitches before in the stock exchange, but what happens is ultimately, because it gets halted, the best they can do is stop it right away so it doesn't affect the larger market. And I think that's what they did here as well.
All right, Susan Teherani there reporting from New York, where there has been a major glitch at the New York Stock Exchange where trading has been halted in many stocks. We'll keep our eyes on this developing story and give you the latest in our subsequent broadcasts. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.